So Jabra's news at ISE 2025 is our launch of our new PanaCast 40 video bar system. That is the first Android bar with a 180-degree field of view designed for small rooms. It's underpinned by firstly MDEP, which is Microsoft's Android platform, and also it is for express install. So that's really easy to deploy, easy to provision Android bars, so we can really set those up in a small amount of time. So it is a premium solution for those small rooms within companies. Because we're really seeing today a move towards those smaller rooms. So if you look at the makeup of these rooms, 94% of people are actually wanting to use a small room for meetings, but then 80% of people waste time looking for these rooms, and actually 79% of these rooms actually have inadequate technology. And when you have 3% of the world's sort of huddle rooms that haven't got any form of technology in there at all, this is a problem that we need to address. And by the PanaCast 40 video bar system, by the launch of that, we're really trying to address those problems there. Really, this hybrid sort of element won't go away. We're still seeing 80% of meetings are done with some form of hybrid. So i.e. someone will be at home, someone will be in a coffee shop somewhere. So we need to cater for both, these hybrid meetings, but we need to cater for the different types of meetings that are there now, be them in small rooms, medium rooms, even open spaces now. We're seeing office space can be at a premium now. So actually those meetings might be outside of these meeting rooms. They might be in a pod or a focus room. So really we're looking at the ways that we can really focus on these and cater for everyone there. For Jabra, it's really being seen as a collaboration company, so that we can provide all those solutions, be it a headset if you're out and about, as you say. It could be earbuds if you want to sort of listen to some music as well. But then when you get into a coffee shop or an office, you've got the camera technology, be it a personal camera or be it a video camera that's mounted to the wall. So we can cater for all those, and it's about the collaboration, the overall experience, and making sure people are more productive.